Did you know you can transform your hotel stays into shopping sprees on Amazon? In this updated tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to link your Hilton Honors account to your Amazon account, allowing you to use those hard-earned points for your online purchases. First, head over to Amazon.com and log into your account. In the search bar, type Hilton Honors and hit enter. You should see a link or option to link your Hilton Honors account. Click on it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your Hilton Honors membership number and your last name. Make sure these details are accurate. Once you've entered your information, click the Link Account button. You should receive a confirmation that your accounts are now successfully linked. Congratulations! When you're ready to make a purchase, simply proceed to checkout. As usual, on the payment page, you'll see an option to use your Hilton Honors points. You can typically choose how many points you want to apply to your order. Or if you want to cover the full amount, the remaining balance can be paid with your usual payment method. Look for the confirmation that your points have been applied to your purchase. It's an excellent way to get more value from your Hilton stays, especially for everyday shopping. The benefits are clear. You get to enjoy your Amazon shopping while also leveraging your hotel loyalty points. It's a fantastic synergy between travel and e-commerce. While this integration is highly convenient, keep in mind that the exact redemption rate and availability can vary. Always check the terms and conditions on the Amazon link for the most up-to-date information. So, there you have it. Why Euro, a straightforward way to make your Hilton Honors points work for you beyond your next hotel stay. Happy shopping!